As you have been preparing for your UGC NET for months now, it is always better to have a checklist of items or documents to avoid last-minute stress. Even little things such as forgetting to bring an ID card or arriving 5 minutes late at the center can cost you a lot. Creating a checklist and making sure that you stick to it is a great way to stay organized, effective, and productive. You are able to reduce mental strain and remember the little yet necessary things to be completed before you are ready to sit and unleash your preparation in the exam. To make your work easy, here is a checklist Limitless Literature has created for you. Number 1 is admit card. Although it is alright to print the admit card in black and white, the most preferable step is to take the print in color on a 4-size paper. The color print is more clear and readable. It is easier for the invigilator to cross-check your photograph of admit card with the one you will bring. Download the admit card only from the official website of NTA. Passport size photograph, same as uploaded with the online application form, to be pasted on the attendance sheet at the center. It is suggested to always keep a few extra photographs to avoid unnecessary delays in the exam. The next point to keep in your checklist for the upcoming UGC NET exam is ID proof. Keep original photo ID proof such as PAN card, driving license, voter ID, passport or Aadhaar card. Make sure the photograph on your identity card is clear, visible and the latest one. Keeping more than one photo ID proof can prove to be much safer. PWD candidates must present their certificate issued by the competent authority. Moving forward, our next point is left-hand thumb impression must be clear. To complete the attendance procedure, a signature and left-hand thumb impression are required. Therefore, to avoid the odds, you should ensure that your left-hand thumb is clean and free from spots. Also, make sure to mark your attendance during the test in case the invigilator forget to arrive at your seat. Next, you must remember to wear mask and avoid shoes. Wear your face mask while you are at the test center and throughout your test. Any mask is acceptable if your nose and mouth are fully covered. However, you may have to briefly remove your mask during the check-in and attendance process. Also, make sure to wear sandals or slippers in the exam center. Most often, shoes are prohibited in competitive exams to avoid any cheating. Moving forward, you don't require pen and paper. As the exam center will provide pen and blank sheets for rough work, you can skip this step. But make sure to return them to the invigilator after completing the test before leaving the center. Our sixth point to put on the checklist is to reach the center an hour early. Make sure to reach the exam center by reporting time mentioned on the admit card. You will not be allowed to enter after gate closing time. Moreover, it is always better to reach an hour early than a minute late at the test venue. It will give you enough time to confirm your exam center and roll number. If you reach the wrong test center, you still have an hour to reach the right test center. Arriving early will also allow you to get set up for the exam, improving your focus for hours ahead. Next, eat a light meal before the exam. Our brain requires glucose for energy. So eating a good source of protein and glucose can help you stay at your peak performance. Fruits and nuts are one of the best ways through which you can stay active during the exam. Also, do not forget to keep a water bottle by your side during the exam. Studies have found that those who take water into the examination hall scored an average of 5% higher than those without it. So, having a few sips once in a while can prove to be beneficial and help you stay hydrated. Moving forward, Prepare yourself the evening before the exam. Stop studying or revising the evening before the exam. Instead, try to relax and make your clothes, photo ID proofs get ready. Focus on taking a good night's sleep of 7 to 8 hours. In 2019, a study conducted at Harvard showed that the students who take 7 to 8 hours of sleep have their overall grades up 50% from other students who averaged 5 to 6 hours of sleep. Getting up on time is as important as taking a complete 8-hour sleep. In addition, dressing up in simple and clean clothes will improve your self-image and make you comfortable during the exam. Checklists are easy to use and one of the most effective organizing tools. It not only ensures that you stay up to date, but also prevent you from doing mistakes. It can save you from disappointments that other students might incur for not following the guidelines enlisted by the UGC NET. So make use of all these points and stay at your peak performance.